Now we're going to talk about siliconing the panel up, siliconing the edges of it wherever it meets a wall or cabinetry or the bench top. The silicone we use is a Mapacell. It's a Tyler's acid cure silicone. Comes in a pretty good variety of colours. Today we're going to be using a light grey. We kind of recommend light greys everywhere you can use them, rather than whites, because whites will look great the day that you apply them and then they won't look as good ever again. We cut our nozzle at like a 45, so we'll cut down towards us and it stops leaving a little tail of plastic on the end of it. And then what we do is at the top of the 45, we use a marker pen and we just mark the top of that, so when I'm applying the silicone I know where that trailing edge of the nozzle is all the time, which is helpful. We tool it off with an ice block stick. Before doing that, we spray it down with just a water and dishwash detergent. And this here is just for our excess silicone, so we apply it in relatively heavily and then tool it off to make it look great.